Saitama has the potential to bring good fortune to its holders. Many Saitama owners are excited to see the token to reach the 50 price mark anytime soon. In this video, we'll look at how Saitama might get to that price mark, as well as how long it might take. To get the most out of the video, please watch until the end. At the time of recording this video, Saitama is on 175,601 users' watchlists on the coinmarketcap.com, and about 298,207 holders have Saitama in their wallets. This implies that the enthusiasm surrounding Saitama is growing, and more individuals are purchasing the token every day. To reach the 50 price mark as soon as possible, we will rely on some factors. The first factor is awareness. The more people will know about Saitama, the higher the demand for buying the token. And the more transactions will occur, the faster the burning rate will also take place. The second factor to reach the 50 price mark very soon is the burning rate. The third factor is Saitama's developing team plan and utilities. Saitama has an amazing plan that starts from cold wallet to exchange platform to its educational platform, in addition to the video game and an anime show, NFT platform, and blockchain network. Every time Saitama's team will launch any service, the interest to buy the token will increase, and more investors will hold Saitama. This also will lead us to a higher burn rate, which is 2% of every transaction. So, how could we reach the 50 price mark? By the time of recording this video, we have around 43 quadrillion and 903 trillion tokens are available in the circulating supply. 2 weeks ago, we had 43 quadrillion 972 trillion tokens in the circulating supply. This means in 2 weeks, 69 trillion tokens have been burned. This will give us 4.9 trillion tokens burned every day. So to make it easier, let's say 5 trillion daily. However, 3 weeks ago, we noticed that in one day 13 trillion tokens had been burned. So, if we take the conservative scenario, which is burning 5 trillion a day, we will find that in 1 year, we will have 1 quadrillion and 800 trillion tokens burned. This will give us 42 quadrillion 103 trillion tokens in circulating supply. If we assume that the burning rate is fixed, we will find that in 2 years we will have 38 quadrillions and 503 trillion tokens. This will make Saitama reach the 50 mark, and the price will reach 5025, with a market cap of 100 billion, after 2 years. This burn rate is very conservative. And note that, no token has a fixed burn rate, so if we try to get a median between the 5 trillion and the 13 trillion tokens, we will have an average daily of 9 trillion burned tokens. If we burn 9 trillion per day, at the end of the first year, we will burn around 3 quadrillions and 240 trillion. And the second year the same amount. This means at the beginning of the second year, we will reach the 50 price mark. And the end of the second year, we will have 31 quadrillion and 606 trillion tokens in circulating supply. This will make Saitama reach the 50 price mark with a market cap of 50 billion. Or 5030 with a market cap of 100 billion in a lifespan of less than a year and a half. This means if you have invested $1,000 when Saitama traded at the 70 price mark, you will cash out $30,000 to $60,000. If the burning token speed increases and exceeds the 9 trillion per day, we can assume that we reach the 50.7 or 8, which will double your initial investment of $1,000 to $60K or $120K. Also, we are going to touch almost the 40 price mark. The burn rate that I have mentioned before is still very conservative. It's expected for the burn rate to double when Saitama launches new services and when more people buy the token. This scenario is only an assumption, but is very realistic, and it may happen sooner than you can imagine. But the one fact is, to reach the 50 price mark, we need to be in the 30 quadrillion tokens circulating supply zone. Tell us in the comments section below, when do you think Saitama will reach the 50 price mark? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto videos. Thank you for watching.